Thank you, Suresh sir. So there is a short message of Dr. Samin K. Sharma sir from USA. So I would request my colleagues to play the video. Thank you.
Dear friends and delegates of Eternal Stroke Conclave 2022, myself, Dr. Samin Sharma, Chairman of Eternal Hospital, welcome you for this exciting one-day, very packed symposium. As you know, the Dr. Suresh Gupta has brought a stellar physicians from the globe to really update in various topics of stroke prevention as well as treatment. As you know, the stroke is just like a myocardial infarction or STEMI. In America, both the stroke as well as STEMI comes at the same level of identification, management, and subsequent treatment and follow-up. That urgency is very important. And of course, this one-day symposium with various topics will highlight on individual aspect of providing better stroke care. So I hope you'll enjoy this day, and by end of the day, you'll be enriched to apply many points which you'll take from today's symposium to use in your practice. And thank you very much and good luck.